wish your photo transfer looked like this, but instead it looks like this. Or even worse, it looks like this. So stick around, we'll see what it takes to make better photo transfers. Number one, it's important that you go step by step. By recommending that you take it step by step, I mean that you start with something simple and take it from there. It's a good idea to start with basic gel prints, then to learn how to print text, and just then take the next step to transferring photos. In fact, in my online class, I often recommend to my students that they learn first how to print magazine images before attempting to transfer laser photos. From teaching this process for about a year now, I think one of the reasons many people are unsuccessful at image transfer is that as beginners they attempt to transfer their photos using different paints, or they try printing over a busy background before even understanding how to make a simple print. Number two, it's important that you use the right supplies for the process. It's really hard to get started if you don't have the right supplies for the process. The right supplies can make all the difference. I know this one seems like a no-brainer, but you'll be surprised to learn that quite a few people get on the wrong track when using supplies that don't work for this process. When I first developed this process, I experimented with quite a few different paints. And the first success I had was when I used Amsterdam paint. So obviously the paint we use is one of the most important ingredients in gel photo transfer. So I make sure in all my videos to always share the supplies I'm using. And I do it because I know how important it is to use the right stuff. Number three, using good photos for a successful process. It's really important that you use good photos for this process. The photos can make a big difference between a good transfer and an unsuccessful transfer. People ask me all the time about the quality and editing of the image they need for photo transfer. Obviously, photos that are clear and have a lot of contrast are easier to work with. You can learn how to edit the photos using a photo editor. The editing photo tutorial is part of my online class, but I'm considering making a separate class just for this topic. So let me know in the comments below if you'll be interested in such a tutorial. So previously I made a video about how to use photography for image transfer. And in case you haven't seen it, here is a preview of the video. Today we're actually going to talk about the photography part of the process. We're going to see what type of photos work best for image transfer. We're going to see how to choose the photos we're going to use. And also how to take the photos. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure to check out this video. And now let's go back to our current video. So let's recap and see what we need for better photo transfers. So you wish your... Number 3, using the right photos for the process. The right surprise